Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nano eLearn, Learning Made Easy. In today's session, I am going to explain about conditional statements in Java programming, part of Java for Selenium tutorials. In today's session, I am going to cover if, if-else, if-else-if, and nested if statements. Let's get started. By end of this video, one can get a complete understanding on different conditional statements that are used in Java programming along with a practical demo at the end. These are the different conditional statements in Java programming. As I just explained, it covers if else, if else if, and nested if statements. Basically, different logical conditions that are supported by Java from mathematics include less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to operations. So let me explain about the first statement, that is simple if statement. This is used to test the condition using simple if, that is here if block of code gets executed when if condition is true. The syntax will be like this: if followed by condition, then the condition is true, a block of code need to be executed. The second statement is if else statement. This is also used to test the condition in a statement. It executes the if block when a condition is true, and if not, a else block of the code is executed. The syntax will look like this: if followed by its condition. If the condition is true, a block of code need to be executed. Else, if the condition is false, the else block of code will be executed. The third statement is if else if statement. It executes one condition from multiple statements. Here the syntax will look like this: if condition 1, if the condition 1 is true, then its specific block of code is executed. Else if condition 2 is true, then its block of code is executed. Else if condition 3 is true, then condition 3 block of code will be executed. If all the blocks are false, then the else part of the code will be executed. The last conditional statement include nested if statement. It represents an if block within another if block, that itself known as nested if. That is, here the inner if block condition executes only when outer if block condition is true. The syntax will look like this: if followed by condition. If it is true, its code is executed. If there is another condition within the first if statement, then if the second if condition is true, then the second if part of the code will be executed. So let us try to, these are some useful URL links. I will also give all these links in the description of my video today. Let us try to explain about a practical demo. So here first I am going to explain the if statement, simple if statement. Here I have created a class for if else demo which covers only simple if and if else part. Here, that is the first two statements. Here I have declared variables x and y of integer type, and I assign the value x is equal to 30 and y is equal to 60. The simple if will work like this. As I explained in the syntax, if x less than y, then it will print x is less than y. So I am executing this. Since here x less than y is true, here it should output x is less than y. Now I am going to explain with else part 2. This covers if else part. Here I am changing the initialized values so that it go to the else part and else part will be executed. Here 60 is greater than 30, that is x greater than y, so it goes into the else part and it will print the appropriate output, that is x greater than y. Then I have created another class for a practical demo. This is if else if ladder demo. So here I have I have covered this example with the practical demo. If you see here, I have declared a variable percentile and assigned a value 95. So here there are multiple conditions. Based on the condition which is true, that part of the code will be executed in the complete lines of code. So here if you see here 95 will come here, the percentile is greater than equal to 90 and it is less than 100, then this part will be executed, that is it should print a plus band. I'm executing this, you can see the output here. And the last statement is nested if demo. I have created another class for this. As I said, nested if will be something like there is another second if within the first if, that is here I am giving and validating two conditions here. Here I have declared two variables a is equal to 18 and weight equal to 51. If a is greater than or equal to 18, and within this first if condition there is another condition I am also checking, that is if weight greater than 50, it says you are eligible to get married, else it will go to the else part, that is you are not eligible to get married, or if this is also false then it will go into the last else part, that is age must be greater than 18. So let us see, by running this program you are eligible to get married because 18 and 15 will fall into the first condition and it's been executed. So that's it for today's session. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching again.